All right, today we're gonna do one of my wife's favorite, is Buffalo Blast. If you've ever been to Cheesecake Factory, this is how they make their Buffalo Blast. But I'm gonna make it a little better because I noticed they don't really season it. They don't give you that much buffalo mixture inside of it. That's why when I cut my egg roll wrappers, I don't use wonton wrappers. They use wonton, I use egg roll wrappers so I can cut my wrapper big to put more filling in it. And of course, we're using my favorite rotisserie chicken from Costco. Now, if you want to be a super chef and you want to rotisserie your own chicken before you do this, go ahead. But Costco has the best rotisserie chicken. Now, I'm going to cut down my celery. And everybody, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, you want to cut your celery real thin. That to the bowl. All right, now that we have our celery, I'm gonna add a little bit of onion. And now, let's break down this rotisserie. Look how beautiful that is. I swear, every time I go to Costco, I get one of these. Whoever ties these chickens up must be a fucking pirate. Now, breaking these down are real easy. I really don't use my knife because it's fall off the bone. Just break it apart like that. Now for this, I use mostly white meat. I do add a little of dark meat. Oh my. All right, so I'm gonna break this down. Make sure you get all them bones out. I'm gonna save these bones for a good chicken stock. And I'm just gonna do a little rough cut on it. All right, now we're gonna add our seasonings. Really, it's just 3 seasonings. A lot of the flavor is in this buffalo sauce, but I have tarragon, I have chicken bouillon, and I have onion powder. 4 ounces of cream cheese, half of it, 4 ounces. Put a little bit of garlic in there. We're gonna add our buffalo sauce. And we're gonna add our cheese. And we're just gonna get in there. Make sure all that cream cheese is incorporated with everything else. And that's what we're looking for right there. Give it a taste. Fire. Yep, we're ready. Now we got our egg roll wraps. Like I said, I cut mine a little bigger. I don't want to use wonton wraps. Wonton wraps are kind of smaller, so I'm going to cut mine a little bigger. Perfect size for a buffalo blast right here. Now we're going to put that filling in. Go. This is the size we're going for. Now we're going to make the rest of these and throw them in the grease. All right, now we're ready to fry these. Of course, we're using Blue Magic all-purpose fry batter. We're gonna make our wet batter first. And all that is flour and water. That's all that is. Get all those lumps out. All right, now let's dredge. I'm gonna do them one by one. And that's how you want it to look. Oh yeah, we're frying these at 350 because they're not gonna fry that long. If I was frying chicken, I'll be doing about 315, 320. We're gonna let these fry for about 5 minutes. Look at that. Yeah, way better than Cheesecake Factory, way better.
That wrench, man. All right. Now, y'all remember that controversy about Cheesecake Factory? Don't take me on no date. Take me on a date. I don't care. But anyways, I'm sure y'all know what a buffalo blast is. I don't know what we're gonna call these, but these are our blasts. More filling, more cheese, more just... Look at the color. One thing about Blue Magic is that color gonna come out the same way every single time. Even if you mess up, it's still gonna come out the same way. Now, me personally, I need my wrench. You see, because I'm a little ghetto. Bon appetit. Of course, it's hot. What makes that noise? You know it's hot. Flavor on there is crazy. I'm finna double dip because it's mine. Get it in there. This is crazy. Cheers. That was good. I'm gonna dip it.
Of course, I want
hot.
you to dip it.
It's a little hot. Get in there. Ow. Yum. Fire, huh?
Wow.
Trying to tell y'all. I'm sleeping. Get that Blue Magic every time. Chicken, whatever you want to fry. Blue Magic.
Listen, if you want to fry like a pro, I will be uploading more tutorials. These Buffalo Blasts, game changer. Remember, link will be in the description. The recipe will be in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My nigga, enjoy.